Okay, very good morning to all of you. Fine, dear. How are all of you? Good, na? Okay, so let's start. Today, page number. Today, I will take your English grammar. You can see, and the chapter I was doing, that is chapter number 19. Go, goes, do, does. Okay, chapter number 19. Up to page number 50, I have completed. Today, I will do page number 51. Okay. You can see the D part over there. You can see the D part over there. There you can see this is Rahul's daily routine in the morning. This is a short story. Let's read the story and let's see what it has said to be done. The story is, as soon as I get up, I say good morning to everybody. I brush my teeth and take a bath. I wear my uniform and put on my shoes. I comb my hair. I take my breakfast and leave for school. Snigdha, you are ill. What has happened to you, dear? Okay. And here it is saying that Richa has the same routine. Write Richa's routine below. I am just discussing it. All of you try to write that. Okay. And in your offline class and your next class, I will discuss this. Okay. I will just write this. Today I am just discussing it. Okay. Listen to it very carefully. That it is now saying that Richa has the same routine. Write Richa's routine below. So here we need to just replace I with the Richa and she. With that we can rewrite the sentences. I am just discussing it now. Okay. So it will be, as soon as I get up. Here I will be replaced by Richa. You can write she, but Richa will be more appropriate because the first word should be Richa. As soon as Richa gets up, she says good morning to everybody. She brushes her teeth and takes a bath. She wears her uniform and puts on her shoes. She combs her hair. She takes her breakfast and leaves for school. Okay. Okay. Now come to the E part. E part, that's what I will do. All of you will try to answer. Okay. Let's come to the E part. Here you can see, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words given in the brackets. You can see this is also a small story and the doing words are given in the brackets. Now we will write the correct form of the doing word in the brackets. Okay. Let's try to do this. A butterfly dash eggs on leaves. So in the bracket the word is lay. So it will be Upasya, number B I have already done. Just go through the uploaded classes. Okay. Yes, a butterfly lays. Very good. Lays. Lays. Because the butterfly, this word is in singular form. A butterfly lays eggs on leaves. These eggs dash after some time. So in the bracket the word is hatch. So it will be hatch as it is. Why? Because the subject is in plural form, that is these eggs. Hatch after some time and caterpillars dash out. It will be, and the word is come. So it will be come because the caterpillars is in plural form. Yes, good. Come. Come out. These caterpillars dash on leaves and dash bigger. Again, these caterpillars, the subject is in plural form, so it will be feed. It will be as it is. Feed on leaves and grow bigger. Yes, all of you are answering correct. Very good. Feed and it will be grow again. Grow again. Grow bigger. Yes. Yeah, correct. After some time, a caterpillar dash a hard case for itself. In the bracket the word is make. So it will be makes. Yes, because in the subject caterpillar is in singular form, so it will be makes. Makes. Correct. Makes a hard case for itself. It dash inside this case for a few days, and the bracket, the word is stay. So it will be stays. Yes, it stays inside this case for a few days because it is in singular form. So it will be stays. Stays inside this case for a few days. When the hard case dash, a beautiful butterfly dash out. When the hard case, yes, the hard case is in singular form, so it will be breaks. Breaks. It will be breaks, dear. Yeah. Because the hard case is in singular form, so it will be breaks. A beautiful butterfly dash out. It will be the bracket, the word is come, so it will be comes. A beautiful butterfly, that is in singular form, so it will be comes. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, correct. Very good. Comes out. It immediately dash away. It immediately dash away. Yes, it immediately, in the bracket the word is fly, so it will be flies. Why? Because it is in singular form. Flies away. Okay, let's read the story once again with all the correct forms. Okay. A butterfly lays eggs on leaves. These eggs hatch after some time and caterpillars come out. These caterpillars feed. These caterpillars feed on leaves and grow bigger. After some time, a caterpillar makes a hard case for itself. It stays inside this case for a few days. When the hard case breaks, a beautiful butterfly comes out. It immediately flies away. Okay? Yeah, okay. Clear. Yeah. Now, this chapter is completed. Okay. Now come to chapter number 20. I will just discuss the chapter number 20, and if I got the time, then I will do the exercises. Okay. So now I will just discuss chapter number 20 with you. So will I erase the board? Will I erase the board? Page number 52. I will just discuss this chapter with you. Will I erase the board? All of you have completed, let me know. Okay, so I am erasing the board. You have completed? Very good. Okay, so I am erasing the board and I will just discuss the chapter. Okay, and in chapter number 20, you can all of you please mute your microphone, please. Ahanaf, mute your microphone. Okay, so let's discuss this chapter, chapter number 20. The heading of the chapter is, are, am with ing forms of the doing words. Is, are, am with ing forms of the doing words. So we all know that where we can use am, is, are. We all know that I always take am with it, isn't it? And any kind of plural forms and you and plural forms takes are with it, isn't it? Any kind of a plural forms including you. Any kind of a plural forms including you always take are with it, and any kind of a singular forms including any kind of a name will take is with it. We all know that, isn't it? So I always take am, and any kind of a plural forms including you always take are with it, and any kind of a singular forms including names that will take is with it. Okay, so when we will use am, is, are, then the verbs also will take ing with it. Okay, if I want to say something is happening right now, if I want to say something is happening right now at this moment, at the present, so we will use ing with the verb. Okay, so if I take reading, then we will use ing with it. Okay, and with same thing with these also, reading, with these also we will take ing with it. Okay, so when we will use am, is, are, and when we want to show that something is happening right now at this moment, in page number I have already written on the board, page number 52. Okay, so let's learn this once again, that when we will use am, is, are, and something, if we want to show something is happening right now at this moment, at the present time, then we will use ing with the verbs. Okay, clear? And you can see the yellow colored box at the beginning of your book, that you can see a chart is given clearly where we will use am, is, are, and how we can use ing with the verbs. Okay, so that's how we will use ing with the verbs. Okay, clear with it? Clear? Okay, so this is the chapter is all about. Okay, so I don't think that I will start the exercises today, because I will not be able to complete it. So I will try to do that in your next classes. Okay, so now all of you please give your present now. All of you please give your present, write your present in the chat box, and the exercises I will do in your next class. All of you write your present in the chat box, and no one will leave the class until I finish it. Okay? Okay, I have taken all of your present. You're right. Yeah, Shrestha, you have written in a copy. Very good. Okay, so today I have just discussed chapter number 20 and the exercises are very easy. If you can do that, all of you try to do this at your home, okay? And I will definitely discuss this in your online or offline classes, okay? So go through the classes very well, okay? So today is up to this, okay? So practice this very well at your home. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.